Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Carlo Kome, an Enugu-based fashion designer. So on today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I made this gorgeous trouser. Welcome back. I'll be starting this project from the back pocket. So with this, I am inserting the back waist darts before I'll start forming the back pocket.
So I'll actually be making a single welt pocket. With the darts created, I'll be running a top stitch because I'll be using stitches to design this outfit, and also I'll be making eyelets as one of my designing tools. To all my existing subscribers, thank you, and to the new ones in this space, welcome. Here on this channel, I do mostly DIYs, so if this is a topic that interests you, please endeavor to click the subscribe button, leave your notification bell on so you'd be the first to be notified whenever I make posts, and also endeavor to share, like, and leave your thoughts about this video and my other videos in the comment section. Thank you. So moving on, I am attaching the lining to the wrong side of this panel before I'll then attach the other two pieces on the good side where I already marked the width of the pocket, and the width of this pocket is 5.4 inches. I like my pockets to be tight so that it can firmly hold whatever I put in there to avoid my pockets peaked. So now I'll use pins to hold this in position for easy sewing, and I also guess you guys know why I marked the both sides. It is so that I don't exceed the actual measurements for this pocket. So as I am done sewing right round, I will now repeat open, following the center line, making sure I don't exceed the end points of my stitches. Then I'll move on to pass it through to the other side and go for ironing in order to form the pocket and then seal it up. So push this forward and flip this to the back, making sure that the fold meets the tip of this end and the other end. Iron it down and then sew together. I hope you're understanding how I am actually fixing this pocket. This video is just about how I made that trouser that you saw in the beginning of the video. So with the pocket fully installed, I'll be moving over to the next phase, which is fixing the side seam pocket of the trouser. So for the front panel pocket, I'll be forming a side seam pocket where I'll measure out 1 inch from the waistline down and sew, and jump 6 inches before continuing to sew down to the base of the trouser. So here is the opening. I'll now go ahead to attach the pocket panel to actually form the pocket before sealing it right round. I know you guys must have noticed I did not weave the edges of these pieces I'm using to form my side pockets. Yes, I actually forgot to carry it along while going for weaving, but because of distance and time, I can't actually go back there to reweave it. So I'll be using my bias strip to actually give it a neater finishing so that it will not fray after sewing. And so relax while you watch how I achieved this side seam pocket, how I used the thread to actually design the pocket and make it look exotic. So far, what do you think about this bias finishing? I hope it's actually neat and it appeals to your eyes. Alright, on the finishing touches for the side seam pocket, I will be running a top stitch on the side. So to insert the front west dart, I've already notched the center line of this front panel. So I'll be measuring out the length I need the dart to be before sewing it together. I'll still use my top stitch on the dart. Remember, the threading is part of my designing tool for this project, so anywhere I could use the thread to make significant beautification, I will certainly make use of it. So now I'm joining the two front panels together, getting ready to fix the zipper flyer. Initially, I didn't want this trouser to have zip. I just wanted to have an open zipper fly, but considering the length of the shirt I'll be wearing it with, which is rather croppy, I wouldn't want my inner wear to be showing, probably when I want to sit down or something. So that is why I had to put a zip to it afterwards. But in this video, you'll actually see a zipper fly without zip. So that's that. So relax and see how I did it, and hopefully you can do yours from this. It is about that time when you add the main ingredient to your cooking. So this is a patch where I sketched a perfect circle. That's the actual size I want the eyelet to be. So I have placed this patch on the good face of the trouser to sew right round it, cut it open, notch the sides, and then take it in through the hole to form a perfect circle. With the 6 circles now in place, it is time to rip it open. Note that after cutting this open, you must ensure that you notch the circumference, because without notching the circumference, you can't have the shape you want well fitted. Like, it won't be smooth. So notching is a very important act to do while you're trying to flip something over or pass something through another in sewing. So make sure while you're at yours, notch. So now you can pass the patch through the hole in order to form your circle, and because it was poorly notched, you will see how detailed the circle is even without ironing. So after this, I'll iron it out and get ready to sketch a design on it, because I'll use thread and design it. Creating the eyelets was one thing, and beautifying it is yet another thing. So I'll be sketching out how I want the design around the eyelet to be, and I'll use simple threading or stitching to actually run right around it and make the impression I want. So with the sketching concluded, I'll now run stitches around the star-like shape I drew. So what do you think about this video? Is it insightful? Do you like it? Just leave your thoughts about it in the comment section. So you can actually call this a hollow star trousers. I don't know how it sounds, but that's what I actually feel like naming it. Thank you for watching. See you.